If you're standing in front of the ETUDE shelf wondering which moisturizer to buy, here's how I choose. The brand sent me this and I wanted to do a little bit of comparing. This is a Hydro Barrier Gel Cream. It has a refreshing gel texture that feels almost water-like going on, and it gives my skin a nice drink of hydration without feeling heavy. I really enjoy using this in the AM because it layers beautifully underneath sunscreen and makeup. The next moisturizer is completely different. The SoonJung 2x Barrier Cream has become my favorite nighttime moisturizer. It's much creamier than the Hydro Barrier Gel, but surprisingly it still absorbs really well. Within a minute or two it sinks in and leaves this really healthy soft glow instead of a greasy finish. I also appreciate the twist lock pump mechanism. So get the Hydro Barrier Gel for the daytime and the Barrier Cream for the nighttime. Next is the Dr. Mascara Fixer. Think of this as insurance for your mascara. You have naturally straight lashes. This is a great clear primer that you apply before your mascara. It's designed to hold curl while also giving your lashes a little support. And finally, the Curl Fix Mascara. I can definitely understand why this mascara has won so many awards in Korea. The square brush grabs lashes really well from the roots and separates them nicely, and it builds definition without looking clumpy. It didn't feel heavy and my lashes still look lifted hours later. The formula is resistant to humidity, which makes it a really nice option if you need something that lasts. I will definitely be taking this on vacation. I actually think these products complement each other really well instead of competing with one another.